Hey Sangmin, I got your email. Let's try to hit compile, and I guess this is the message you're getting. Right here it says incompatible types, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the question mark that I showed you about in the one of the images I sent earlier. And this one says incompatible types. There was an expression of a certain type required here. You provided an expression of a different type that is not compatible. Example, you wrote a string where an int was expected. So here what happened is, this has nothing to do with scope. Okay, this is you're right. Items is declared here, and you can you can call it here and everything. But in items, let's close this for a second. In items is a collection of items. It's not a collection of strings. Okay, so what you can do here is you can make this be an item, and that'll compile. And then it says here, cannot find symbol method println. And again, you can look up here, but basically what happened is that you just left out the T. So this is println, and now it compiles. Okay, so that's the fix to that one. Again, like I said, whenever you get errors like this one here, you want to carefully read what it says down here, and then you can always usually you can get more information if you click on that question mark. So that's another place to get help. Okay, and also I would check out this section again on accessor and mutator methods. Okay, it's generally not good practice to where's that? To have your fields be public. You really want these to be private, and then have accessor functions. And yeah, I think that's a good thing to look at for now. There's some exercises too that show you how you can do something better with the exits than having separate exits for each one. So if you have trouble finding that, let me know. But the first thing I would check out is make that correction that I mentioned, and then test out, see how things are working. But also check out this stuff on accessor and mutator methods, because you really want to make a habit of using those of making these fields private, and using accessors and mutators to on them instead of directly accessing them. Because what can happen is you can easily mess things up, and it kind of gets away from the principle of encapsulation, and the coupling and cohesion and all that good stuff that they talk about in the book. All right, but yeah, keep pressing on, and let me know if you have any more questions.